Okay, today our question is 670 maxima swap. So the question is given a non-negative integer, you could swap two digits at once and at most once to get the maximum value number. Return the maximum value number you could get. So example one is input is 2736. So the output we swap 7 and 2. So output will be 7236. And then for the example two, the input will be 9973. The output will be 9973 because this is the digit in this number is ascending order. So there is no digit in right hand side. For specified digit, there's no digit is smaller in his right hand side. So we can see another two example. For this example, input number is 256A, so the output is 8562 because we can swap 2 and 8. So we swap although 56 is all greater than 2, but we want to make it larger, so we swap it to a larger digit. Another example is 1993. Okay, so from left to right, left is a higher precision and right is lower precision. So we want to swap a smaller digit from high precision to to a larger number in or to a larger digit in a low precision. So for example, there's one thing we need to take care about is okay for this 9 is greater than 1. So but we want to swap the 1 with the second 9. So if we swap the 1 to with the first 9, the value will be 9193. It is less than 9913. So we want to swap the value with a larger digit with a lower precision. So there are two key points. The first is how can we find the max digit in the right hand side of each digit. So we can use an array. So for this array, we can store the information about for this digit, what is the max digit in its right hand side. So in this example, it's 9, the second digit. Ah, yes, it's 9. So we can store its indexes too. And for 9, there's no digit is larger than it. So we just keep its original index. And then for this same, there's no larger digit is greater than it. So we keep its original digit. Send us it. Send us 3. So we have this information 2, 1, 2, 3. So we can check the data that we calculate in this step. So if we find, okay, this index is not equal to its original index, so we swap it. It means we can swap it from a higher from a higher precision to lower precision, and the lower precision digit is the large, it's the maximum one. So for this, the time complexity is O(n) and the space complexity is also O(n). Okay, so first let us explain how to find the maximum digit in the right hand side. For example, 1993. We can use 2 pointers. The first one is current, the next one is value. Okay, so if current index is equal to max index, we just set its index is itself. So it's two, it's 2. It's okay. This index is 0, 1, 2, 3. So we can just ah this is not correct. This is should be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Ah, yes, 2, 1, 2, 3, yes. It's the same things. So if we found we can use 2 pointer current and the current index and the maximum digit index. If we found these two index is equal, okay, we can keep as its original index is 3. and then we move the current index. Okay, if we found the maximum index is less than it, I just let maximum index is equal to current index again because they are equal. So we set it's the 2, and I will move current index again. If we found okay current index it is not equal, if we found 9, this is greater than it and equal than it, because but it is not greater than it. So I just set its index. I don't have to, so I just keep its index is 1. I just keep its index is 1. Again, I just move C. For this, now maximum index is greater than current index, so update 2 and this. Okay. Okay, let me start to implement it. So first we can change this into string, so it is more convenient for us to go through each element. So string str is the string value of number, so we can know it's how many digits we have. Okay, int max index maximum digit is -1. Oh no, okay. Int current index is a -1. Max index is a -1. Okay, while current index greater if current index is max index, I will say max index current index is equal to itself current index and the current index jet is its current index -0. If it is greater than, oh no, if max index is greater than current index, I will set maximum digit index its max index and the current index, oh, minus minus. Else if they are equal, if they are equal, I just move current index. Else it is greater, so I will set max index is equal to current index. Okay, this is current is equal to itself. So it looks like these two are, so these two are same, so I can combine it. Okay, so I have this information. So string, so I convert the input into a char array. It is more easier for us to swap the digit to char. So So if if the in, this makes if the index if the I already calculate the right the larger number in its right hand side. So I will already calculate its is there any digit is greater than its right hand side. If there is no this kind of digit, it will be equal to its original digit. So it means if it is not equal, I can swap it from a higher position to a lower position. So I swap it. So char temp is char array I char array I is equal to char array char. And I can only swap one time, so break. And so return string value of I convert our result to int. Okay, let me check it. Yes, let us test other example. Okay, I think it's great. Let me submit it. Okay, cool. Happy coding.